Every day should be Mother's Day. Today on JoJo's, I'm showing you to do DIY crafts with me for Mother's Day using mason jars. All the items you see on the table can easily be bought from craft stores like Art Friend or Daiso, so it doesn't cost a bomb to make your mother a nice present for Mother's Day. And since it's made by yourself, I'm sure she'll feel the sincerity even more, right? So let's begin! I've prepared two different themes, a garden theme as well as a beach theme. What goes on top depends on whatever supplies that you have. Isn't it so cute? It's like a little Easter theme. I'm just gonna see if it fits. Done! I think I'm quite satisfied with this. I'm going to start on my second mason jar now. Here I have some seashells and a bit of paint. I'm going to be painting the cap of the mason jar blue so that it looks like the ocean. I'm going to add a bit of white and make it look like waves. Every day should be Mother's Day. That's what my mother says. I don't think she ever uses the gifts that I buy for her. So I hope that she uses this one. If things doesn't stick, just spam the glue. And if you're wondering about the inspiration behind this project, I was looking for a place to store candies. So they actually have a purpose to it. Ta-da! My fridge magnets are finally completed. I think this project was a lot easier compared to the first one, and I think it allows for a lot more freedom as well because you can repurpose a lot of the decorative items that you already have at home. And let's find out what the mothers in our office think.
I will be touched if my son did this, but he's only 3.
Next, I'm going to ask my Laoban. What do you think of my Mother's Day projects?
You know, if my daughter gives these to me, I might just run around the house with joy.
Haha!
Can I open it?
Yeah, sure.
Does it come with sweets too?
I took it from the pantry.
No, it's very, very nice. And I think for moms, you know, anything a child makes, it's just, it looks like art. Picasso art.
I'm Picasso of the day.
Well done.
I'm finally done with both projects, and I don't think I did too bad of a job for a first timer. At the end of the day, I don't think parents will mind whether or not it looks fantastic. All it matters to them is that it's from the heart. If you like more of JoJo's, do remember to give us a thumbs up and follow us at AsiaOne.com. Turn on notifications down below. Bye!